Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group here in Dallas, Texas. Today we're going to go over the basics of taping out a screen. PMI split tape. One side is a full adhesive and the other one has much less, so it doesn't leave any residue onto the inside of your frame. The first thing we're going to do is pull our tape across the screen, cutting into a section large enough to fit on the long end of the screen. Holding the tape in the center on each side will give us our crease to tuck it into the fold onto the screen. Then go ahead and repeat the steps on the short side, long side, and the short side again. By doing it this way, we're overlapping our corners, so when it comes to reclaim, you can very easily, just in one swoop, go ahead and pull off all the tape, so you're not picking or peeling anything during the reclaim process. And for more tips on screen printing, visit our website at gogsg.com. See you next Tuesday.